Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 31st of August till 6th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now so let's see what is there for my Pisceans for the coming week from 31st of August till 6th of September, please. 3 shuffles. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, one more. Alright, so at the end of the deck, it's the 8 of Rods. Communication. Is it happening or not? Okay, so a lot of things, basically communication is a two-way process. When you communicate with someone, the other person needs to reply you back. So it is happening. I'm really seeing. Your past energies are 4 of Rods, 3 of Pentacles, and 7 of Rods. So there are two energies over here, which is telling me that when you actually, the things were really beautiful. You might have entered in a relationship, in a partnership with someone with whom you see as a happy family. With 1111, this is a very beautiful, it is giving me that beautiful message that you really wanted some kind of a marriage with someone, or it might be a partnership only, but you have really fought for this thing. So okay, so it was in your past. Your present energies are Strength, 10 of Cups, and 9 of Pentacles. So it's like with the Strength and 9 of Pentacles, it is giving me that someone over here is really independent. Someone really needs to work on the inner strength. Happy, independent, doing something which they love to do, or it might be you as well. So these energies are really beautiful. This might be you as well, because you are focused on something, but with the 10 of Cups and 9 of Pentacles, it's like single but ready to get mingled. All right, so that is what I'm getting over here, but with someone who is very strong and who supports you the way you support them. So are you waiting? Do you have this person already, or are you waiting for them? We'll see. 2 of Cups, 8 of Swords, and 4 of Cups in your future energies. So there is a lot of no's from your side. I don't know whether it's you or someone else, but it's like fear. It's like that you are trapped somewhere and you are not ready. You don't even know which way to go. But it is just illusion, my friend. It is just illusion. You are not like this. You are this. You are standing with a sword over here, and you are thinking that you are this one, that your hands are tied, your eyes are closed, you are trapped in a particular situation, but no, that is an illusion or hallucination. Alright, so with the 2 of Cups, your soulmate card over here, but you don't know what to do. You know that this is the person, but still afraid. Let's see why the 8 of Rods is here in your... Okay, what else do we have? So many cards. What else do we have with 8 of Wands? Ace of Cups and Three of Pentacles. Okay. Might be dealing with a Taurus over here. There's a new beginning, a very stable new beginning with someone in your life, and you are communicating with this person. Basically, your energies are really coming good, Pisces. This energy is like, you know, what you always wanted, the person, the relationship, everything is going on smoothly. You are in a very beautiful relationship. It is a new beginning with someone, a very stable new beginning I'm getting. Three of Pentacles in your past energies, please. Three of Cups. All right, what else? I'm getting a third party over here, third party relationship in which two people are involved in your love life. Ten of Swords. One is ending. All right, with the Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles, it's like okay, so very different energy it is, but it is coming up like you want to work with both. Either it's you or it might be someone else in your life as well. It can be both the ways if you are dealing with someone, so it can be other person as well. Why is the Three of Cups over here? Ten of Cups and Eight of Wands. You always wanted a marriage. You were really ready for this thing, for a marriage with this person, because Ten of Cups with the Four of Rods, it was going well. You know, everything was going well and you were really happy. You were, but let's see, why is this Seven of Rods over here? Seven of Rods, Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot. What else do we have? Okay. Might be dealing with a Taurus or Cancerian over here. The energies are really different. You know, this was a really long-term relationship, might be happened like around many years back. This thing, somebody didn't take a stand in the situation, and you know, this person was really saying no towards something. Everything was fine, but still a no from something. Then a breakup, then a marriage, and still moving on. So I'm really getting this energy that, you know, that there was a heartbreak over here with a person, and the things were really fine before, but all of a sudden everything just ended. It was a heartache for you, for them as well. I don't know, might be from both the sides, but one person out of you two was saying no to this situation, was very strict in this decision, was like, no, I won't be able to continue this. So saying no towards a really beautiful something. All right. Okay, so let's see what are your present energies with the Strength over here. Why the Strength is here in your present energies? Death. So something is coming to an ending over here. Why the Death has come up? Ending and ending. Some kind of a relationship is ending. Why the Ten of Cups is here in your present energies? Queen of Rods, Five of Wands, and Seven of Cups. Confusion and a lot of conflicts. Basically, you know, confusion is actually coming up with a lot of conflicts over here. So whatever your conflicts are with someone over here, you are really confused in the situation. You don't know where to go, what to do, but still there is a hope. I'm seeing that with this 10 of cups, there is still, you know what to do. You know the answer, you know everything, but still in getting involved in the confusion and conflicts. 7 of cups is also illusion. Okay, so this is like you have a lot of things in your head right now. There is beauty, there is greed, there is lust, everything is here. But it's you who has to take a decision. You should know which cup to select over here and which not. So it's all up to you, and you are in a very confusing state right now. Let's see why the 9 of Pentacles over here in your present energies. The Sun. Okay, what else? So many cards, sorry. What else do we have? Oh my god. Okay, so you have got 3 of Wands, 2 of Swords, Lovers, Ace of Rods, and 4 of Swords. You are in a really big confusion over here, but you are going to think about this decision of yours. Whatever this thing is, you are going to think about it. You are going into deep study, I would say, or into deep analyzation, and you are going to start something new with someone whom you actually love. Okay, with the Lovers and the Sun over here. So it's a very beautiful new beginning with someone with whom you actually think you connect. All right, and that is really, basically, you have been waited for this person or this situation from a long time as well. With the 9 of Pentacles over here, it is telling me that this person is someone who is independent and single. Someone over here, the Strength and the 10 of Swords and the Death, this is not your energy. You are not ending something. It is someone else who is ending situations in front of you right now. Alright, so let's see why the 2 of Cups over here in your future energies. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. What else do we have, please? Okay, so your wishes are going to come true. With the 9 of Cups, it is the wishful card. It is your wish coming true, your dreams coming true, and they're becoming a reality with someone who is your soulmate. So it might be a person with a Queen of Pentacles. I can see a person who is very beautiful or very independent, plus who is really focused on something. This is an energy which is more about being mature, and this person is mature. This person knows how to deal stuff, and very stable person. So this is the person, or this is the relationship as well, a very stable, beautiful relationship. Let's see why the 8 of Swords over here in the future energies. 8 of Swords, please. Tower and the King of Swords. So something is coming to an end. With the Tower and the King of Swords, you're really going to say no towards something. You are going to reject an offer for something else. Let's see why the 4 of Cups over here in your future energies. Okay. Page of Cups. All right, so I'm getting that your whatever your dreams were, they are really going to come true. And with the 4 of Pentacles and the 4 of Cups over here, it's like you are holding on to something, and you are going to reject the other thing. So it's a very stubborn card. Well, with the Four of Pentacle, it is this person is really stubborn. This person, he is like, I know what I need and I will stick to that thing only. So well, that's all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.